Alright, so I got a call tonight from a buddy from Curtis. He's stuck up on the mountain. Said he lost brake pedal in his RZR. So we're gonna go up there and see if we can get him out. I just pulled into ADS here in Ogden. Gonna run in and grab some parts and see if we can go up and either fix it or limp him off the hill. We'll figure it out when we get up there.
Ben, call me back. It's Curtis.
Hello?
Hey.
I'm just about down.
You're just about down?
Yeah.
Alright, well I'm just about to parry, so I'll pull off and come up that way.
Alright. I'm just done milking it. There is brakes, but there isn't. It's weird.
Yeah, I'm willing to bet you just got it hot enough, you got enough to boil the calipers, and it put air in the lines.
Okay.
Alright. Later. You made it.
Like they work, but it's just super soft.
I bet you boiled them, dude.
It doesn't rebound back up like it used to.
Yeah, usually if it's not leaking, you just boil them. You got a 8 mil? It looks like an 8 mil.
Is it 8?
Alright. Let me see. Looks like it's the 8. Alright, get in there and pump it up, and then hold it.
Why did it just go all the way to the floor? I can't even move it. It's just stuck down.
Okay, just hold your foot on it. Well, it had some air in it. Now try pumping it again. Okay, hold it.
So air did come out?
Yeah, that side had a little bit of air. Let me try this other side. When it boils, it bubbles and causes air pocket. Okay, hold it down.
How do you let the air out? You have to...
There's little bleeder screws on these. Okay, hold it. Yeah, that was looking kind of milky.
Milky?
Yeah, pump it again.
Water?
Well, just like it was aerated. Hold it in. All right, go ahead and pump it up. Okay, hold it in.
Okay.
Oh God, that one had all sorts of air in it. It's still hot too. Does it feel like it's getting any more pedal?
Not right after I start bumping again, but then after doing it a few times it does.
Better?
Yeah. Let's do all of them one more time.
Okay.
Just to be safe. Like.
snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live and it's good in your area. My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. Tinted frames on me leaning down, I'm winning now. Been a while, you ain't like me then, but how you like me now? Real one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat it setback like a step back. Wave, I got the game in a vice grip. Way up when the vire's clear. All the homies on the flight list. Verbally gifted, take the plot and I twist it. Got it big lit. Touch with the incense, got my mind reds, won't stop, I'm relentless. I'ma need safety, till the op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. Going, I want a grill for the mouthpiece, so bright that it light on my face. Your shawty just call me a fave, cause she like my character traits. I never stop for a break, I put a lock on the game. I put a stock in my name, but I give a f about the fame. I took a bite of life and it tastes so exquisite. It feel like you do when you look in my pendant. Hopeless romantic, my girl, chin up for the kid. I'm not on no simps. Won't stop to the youngest he dreams. When I take him from rags to riches. I heard that you claim that you know me, but you ain't the homie. The f is your friendship. I need the loyalty, back up the royalty. I give a f if you notice me. Ain't nobody holding me. Big wave at your shoreline, so they know it's me. Made boy from the cold seas. Nitro with a new pen, go at ISO, tell him don't reach. Ice cold with it, no fleece. I'ma need safety, till the op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, hey, look, going, yeah, I'm going, crazy, wave, yeah, crazy, yeah, look, I'm going, crazy, wave, hey, look, going, yeah, I'm going, crazy, wave, yeah, crazy, yeah, look, going, crazy, wave.
Hey, did you have your cooler in the back?
Is it gone?
There's beer everywhere. I was honking trying to get you to stop.
Grab it.
Dude, you kept going, so I just launched your truck through all the beer. I didn't see the cooler, but there's no cooler in the back of the RZR.
It's like $150 on a cooler. I need it.
I didn't see
I don't care about all the beer and shit.
I didn't notice the cooler was gone until I got right here. But there was beer all over the place.
You want to turn around and at least just grab my cooler?
I'll be back.
stick out far enough.